My name is Daniel Brindley. I am one of the senior applications engineers here with ADDMAN Engineering. I work mainly with laser powder bed fusion on the metal side. So coming to ADDMAN Engineering early on in the design process allows us to come up with the best way to manufacture the part, whether that is additively here in-house or a more conventional approach. We can work with the customer to either design from the ground up or find a best process to get the most efficient use of time as well as the highest functioning part.
So one of the key advantages that ADDMAN has is that right next to our AM equipment, we have CNC equipment. So when you look at the entire value chain and process of additive, it's not just this or that.
Our ability to both manufacture and post-process our parts allows us to have true end-to-end manufacturing from powder to turnkey part.
It becomes extremely valuable at the beginning of the process when we're doing our production planning. I can have my CNC operators talking to my engineers who are doing my build setup to design in fixturing, design in work holding, look at where we're going to pick up the parts, where do we need to add stock, and it really reduces our scrap rate and provides a much more efficient solution to our customers to have all the processes under one roof.